Alright, here we go into the bike lane. This is on the corner of Market and 19th, downtown Denver. Engine house number 5 to our left here. Beautiful. Yeah, like I said, it's a nice day this morning in the city. I'm absolutely loving every moment of this. The views are incredible. Now we're on Larimer Street. That was the crossover right there, Larimer Street. Heading up on Lawrence. I know somewhere up here the bikes turn off. I don't really like riding it when I have to actually pedal. Sorry. But yeah, so going on over to Lawrence. It looks like we've got the go ahead here. And there's the restaurant down there that I'm headed to. So let me just slide across here. Beautiful artwork, some graffiti on the side of the building here. Not bad graffiti, good graffiti, I hope. Alright, it looks like we're about to get the green light again right here, which is cool. I think that they actually do have this bike lane here, which I really need to try to get over to if possible. Next time I should probably look before I cross the road. Just a pointer. Yeah, so I'm getting pretty far away from my hotel now. I'm a little bit further in the heart of downtown Denver, you know. There's the Denver place, it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to stop just so I don't... Yeah, man. Probably gonna try to figure out some sort of way to turn around here. I know I'm pretty far away from where I'm actually going to. So I'll probably turn right here on the sidewalk. Just so I can get a little bit closer to where I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to eat some food, obviously. So now we're turning left here on 20th Street. Beautiful mural here on this. So this would be 20th Street, I'm sorry. And there's Curtis Street, which is right over there is the Curtis Hotel where we stayed at the last time we were here. It's a really cool hotel. It's a theme hotel, so every floor has its own specific theme to it. We stayed in I think it was like a race car type theme. I didn't really understand it 100% necessarily. Forgive me for that. But yeah, it was a cool little hotel. The 13th floor was like a horror floor. And had I really knew that, my wife would have loved that. There'd be horror fans. I'm not so much. I didn't want to get scared. But yeah, there's that. Coming up on a stop here. Now we're getting down into the Logo area in Lower Denver, which is cool. And coming up on Coors Fuel. I think, Lawrence is where it's supposed to be. I'm not sure. So we're gonna find out, right? Going down this way and try to find the restaurant I'm looking for. Porque tengo hambre. Necesito algo de comer, por favor. Bikes in this lane. We'll go check this out real quick. Sorry about that, guys. I don't go too crazy here. So there's no cars or anything, so I'm just gonna go going down. Now I know it's supposed to be going this direction, the other direction on this, but I'm a tourist, so this way I don't know. I didn't know. I want to go try to find that place I'm looking for to eat because I'm very hungry now. So, maybe. Oh, sorry, bro. Why did you cross over in front of me? Didn't understand that. No, hit that. You almost got to see a 360 wrap. That would have been pretty funny. Didn't see that too much. That wouldn't have made it on YouTube, I can tell you that. Where is this restaurant at? Trying to go off memory alone, but it looks as if I'm going to need to YouTube it. I know it's near the Curtis Street. It's like 2 blocks over from the Curtis Hotel. So maybe if I could just find that, I'd be in the money, right? Is this it up here? Let's find out. Yeah, this is more like it right here. There's Coors Field over to the left, as you can see. Yeah, I think this is right. Yeah, yesterday the Rockies played the Padres, got dominated, and so everybody's kind of mad about it, you know, I guess here, but as you guys probably know at this moment, I am a pretty serious Astros fan.